Hi developers, we often need some data to build up projects for the resume or even test our websites. So I come up with a rescue. Here are the 4 free fake APIs to get your next sample data. Let's start with number 1, that is JSON placeholder. It provides an endpoint that simply returns data which contains email ID, username, passwords, phone numbers, and websites. Number 2 is Faker.js. It's my personal favorite. It provides the massive amount of fake data of different varieties such as products, e-commerce, finances, addresses, zip codes, latitude, longitudes, and whatnot else. Number third is random user. By the virtue of the name, it provides a random user data which contains email ID, phone numbers, date of birth, picture, usernames, and every details. And last one, that is number 4, is Fake Store API that provides a e-commerce related data. It provides an endpoint that gives you the product details, even update and delete the products, and so on. All the APIs are free of cost, and the links are in the description. And we also post the same content on our website, ihatereading.in, so please go and check it out. Until next time, have a good day, and don't forget to subscribe.